hairs. So look at my hair now, and this is in June. This is in June, the image that you're seeing on your screen right now. So let me tell you what happened. I was going to get a hair system. So I was researching hair system because you can see the condition of my hair in June. So when I was researching it and while scrolling through Reddit, I came across a subreddit called as Tressless. So when I came here, I saw a transformation. I cannot remember whose transformation I saw, but I went to that Reddit and then I started to sort from top. So the top posts. So back then, top posts were different. They were actually transformation. Now it's some satire. But back then it was different. So when I scrolled through it, I saw people were recommending minoxidil and finasteride. Now I had tried minoxidil, the topical one, and I had no idea there is oral minoxidil as well. So me being a genius, I just went ahead and took oral finasteride and oral minoxidil 2.5 mg. I would not recommend you to do this. You have to go to a doctor because taking minoxidil in tablet form is slightly risky. So please go to a doctor before taking it. Don't take my advice. So I took them and I have not missed a single day, a single dosage till now. Just 1 month after starting both the medications, the shedding started. The shedding was so brutal that my scalp was completely visible. But eventually I was actually documenting it. I was clicking pictures every week so I could track my growth. And eventually I was able to see that my scalp was a bit darker. So over the time, my hair started to grow in, and this is what it looked like at its peak. Why am I telling you this was the peak? Because just couple of days after this, it started to shed again. So if you look at it currently, the density that I have right now is lesser than the density than I had then. And this shed was way more brutal. This shed lasted for about 4 months. So I could just run my hands this way and hair would come out. Now the shedding has stopped. So I'm expecting better density in couple of months, coming months. But those 4 months were dread shed. So I would recommend you that if your hair starts to fall out, then make sure you just power through it. Just go through it. Yes, the minoxidil is going to cause you shed, and it's scary that you are going to lose all the hairs you have because it's already scary that you're balding. But make sure you go through it. The one, if minoxidil is making your hair fall, then your hair is going to grow back. So don't worry about it. If you are from India, make sure you also hit your protein requirements. We are basically protein deficient. So I also added a protein whey in my diet. I am also hitting the gym. So make sure to do that too. And also other supplements like vitamin D3. This will show up in your blood test. So make sure you get a good blood test done. And once you have done that, you will be able to figure out if you are deficient in something. Just make sure you are able to fix it with your diet or through supplements. And I would say one of the more important thing is derma rolling or derma stamping. I would personally recommend you to derma stamp because I have been derma stamping. I also had a spare derma roller, so I'm also derma rolling now. But I would recommend you to go ahead and buy a derma stamp. Once I am done with this derma roller, I will go and buy a derma stamp. Derma stamp, I would say it's much more convenient to use. You can just press it on spot rather than rubbing it on your hair. So go ahead and buy a derma stamp. The side effects, for the side effects, when I took the oral minoxidil, I had palpitations for first 2 or 3 days. But after that, the palpitations were gone completely. And apart from there, I have never had any other symptoms, any other side effects. Everything is working fine. By everything, you know what I mean by everything. Everything is working fine. The only other side effect is body hair. This is because of the oral minoxidil, and I would say it's quite manageable. You can just remove them. But yeah, my body hair growth has also accelerated due to oral minoxidil. So go ahead, try. I would say that it would be worth it even if you are able to hold your hands, because in coming years we may have better options, better hair treatments. And if you already have some hair left on your head, it would be much more useful. So if you have any questions, just leave it down in comment. I will try and reply to all of them. If they are repeated, I'm not going to reply, obviously. But if you have many questions, just leave it down. I will answer your questions.